KHON2 weather, Kamaka Pili.
Aloha Pule, happy Sunday. Get ready for a wet week ahead because we are in store for not just one, but two different storm systems. So what we're looking at for tomorrow, this is going to be fast forwarding to tomorrow afternoon. We are seeing the first storm system and at least the prefrontal moisture associated with the boundary itself really starting to move over towards the islands of Maui. Hawaii Island, the greatest chance of showers looks to be for the southeasterly coast of the island. That's with the southeasterly, southerly winds bringing up some moisture from the south and impacting that coast. But aside from that, that's where we're seeing the least amount of shower activity. We're also going to be seeing threats of thunderstorms, which kicked off at the top of the hour. That's going to be for Kauai and Oahu from tonight through the next few days ahead. And then, of course, our winds, that's also going to be playing a part. Now, the winds are going to be kind of all over the place, but really shifting from the south and will become more westerly in the days to come. Flood watch again in effect for all islands, taking us until Tuesday evening at 6 p.m. And that's when we're expecting to see at least this first round of wet weather begin to ease off for a brief period of time. In terms of our surf, by tomorrow afternoon, 6 to 8 footers up north, 4 to 6 for the west, 3 to 5 for the east, 1 to 3 down on the south. Now, as I mentioned, this is going to be a set of storm systems impacting us this week. The first will be this storm system with the low pressure and pretty much the parent source of the boundary itself, moving close to the islands. And it's really the location where that stalls or at least nears the islands is one reason why the winds will be fluctuating pretty much day by day. It's this second storm system that we see following that will play a part starting Thursday and move down the island chain, looking to be a little more robust in the winds, especially for Maui County. So in timeline of this first storm system, fast forwarding to tomorrow morning at 4 o'clock, that's when we're going to expect at least the moisture, the front moisture of this system to reach Oahu. And then as fast forward to 7 o'clock in the morning, that looks to begin its approach towards Maui County. Hawaii Island, again, going to be out of the clear for the most part with this system, but is going to be seeing some moisture being pulled up from the south. Fast forward to Tuesday midnight, we're starting to see Kauai get in the back of this boundary itself because the actual cold front boundary is expected to approach Kauai around Monday evening into Tuesday morning as it continues to move down. That's when we're really going to start to see this system impact Hawaii Island, clear up a little bit for the west, but there is still going to be that chance of heavy shower activity and thunderstorms, potentially even some snow falling on the summits of Mauna Kea and Mauna Loa. It's around Wednesday we're going to see a brief period of easing off somewhat of that instability. That's only going to jump up once again as we get into Thursday because that's when that second storm system looks to be moving in from the west, and that's going to be increasing rain chances yet again, jumping up those chances of thunderstorms once again as well. And as I mentioned, that could also be playing a part with stronger winds and gusts, especially for Maui at this point, but looking to impact more the west and the east end of the island chain compared towards the west. As of right now, as we get into the weekend ahead, we are seeing relief, but we have to be sure to get through these next few days first. Be safe, everybody.